video we are going to make this project. For creating this project, some views are given here. So this is isometric view and this is front view, top view, right side view. So all views are given here according to first angle of projection method. Okay, and also all dimensions are mentioned here. As you can see in isometric view, all dimensions are given in isometric view, as well as also you can see in your orthographic views, like that in top, front, right. Okay, so I'm going to start from the front view, and this section, you can see this section I'm going to create first of all. After then I will create another features. Okay, so let's start. Go for software, select a sketch in front plane and create that loop with the help of rectangle or profile. I'm creating with the help of profile. So simply create a profile like that. Approximately I am creating right now. After then I will define all dimensions. Just close it. Just finish your, sorry, not finish, just define all dimension first. So go for rapid dimension. So what is the value of this line? You can see here 72 mm. So just define that line values, line length values 72 mm. Just I'm erasing this all. Okay, so just define 72 mm. Just go for drawing and define 72, and then this bottom line values, how much you have to define. Go for drawing and see how much. 84 mm you have to apply. Just apply 84 mm. Okay, so just define 84, double click on that and define 84 mm. Then this line values, what values we have to apply. Just you can see in this views there is no any particular values values are given here in this drawing. So you can get from the front only. Also you can apply your radius values, what they mentioned here. Radius 32 mm, you can see here 32 mm. Just close it. Also you can apply, just you see carefully, it is little bit one small line is there. So I want to increase this length value. Just apply 35 approximately. So approximately 35 I am applying here. Okay, so this line length how much? So this values will be how much? Just go and define 32 mm. Okay, so already that is in 32, so no need to change. So this small already you can see same values, that will be 32 mm. So next I am going to define what values. This small arc you can see here, radius is given 12 mm. Now just define 12 mm. Okay, diameter will be 24. Then I am creating a circle first, center circle, because of we need only arc. So trim your unwanted sketches. Now close it, finish your sketch and then extrude it. Select your sketch, change your direction first if you want. And then how much you have to extrude, see carefully. First of all, first section I am going to extrude up to 40 mm. Okay, so just extrude it till 40 mm only, then click OK. Then next in this bottom corner actually we need edge blend, we need fillet. So go for edge blend and select that edge. What values we need, you can see in this front view 32 mm. So radius how much? 32 mm we have to apply. Okay, then next what we are going to do, next you can see isometric chamfer. Okay, in that corner we have to apply chamfer. So what is the chamfer values? First values you can see here 25, another values we have to calculate 40 minus 28, you will get some values. Okay, so just to go for chamfer. So already that is in same dimension 12 and 25. So click on that edge, change your direction. Now you can see chamfer is created here. So next what feature you are going to apply? Next you are going to cut out this. Okay, so this section we are going to cut. So also from the right side view or also in the front view you can create that rectangle. So I am going to create from the front view. So just go for a sketch and select your front face and create a rectangle first. So I am creating a rectangle and then define this rectangle values and then position values. So first of all, position value. What is the position values you have to apply? Just go to image and you can see here how much. See carefully, 8 mm. After 8 mm you have to apply, you have to create this rectangle. So also another values you can see, this depth value is 8 mm and this rectangular width value is 16 mm. So just apply 8 mm, just change these values. Okay, I think this value, this rectangle is fixed with some points or something like that. Some relation is applied actually. I think with some corner points, some relation is there. So no issue. Just delete it first. Again, I am going to create it. Again, create a rectangle. Just try to not define any relations between that, any corner, any edges. Okay. Just define all values, what values are given in drawing. So this is 16 mm. Just close it, finish your sketch, and then now extrude cut. Just to go for extrude and then subtract it. Change your direction first and then define values. What values we need? We need actually 8 mm. Okay, just subtract it. Okay, you can see 8 mm. This actually sections I cut it here. So next what we are going to do? So next just say, okay, in backside face, just I am going to create, actually see this value is 40 mm. Okay, just I want to mark this, and this value is 55 mm. So some value is there. Also this corner triangular sketch will extrude till 15 mm. So just go and project it first. So project all faces and then go for line and connect this corner point to this point. Okay, and now trim all unwanted sketches, which curves you don't need. Just I'm trimming here. Okay, all sketches, all extra curves are trimmed here. Just finish your sketch. Now you have to extrude it. Sorry, go for extrude and you have to extrude. How much you have to extrude? So just apply values 15 mm. Okay, 55 minus 40, you will get how much? 15 mm values. Okay, you can see this is the 40 and this is the 55 mm distance. So next again we are going to create this plate and we are going to extrude till 25 mm. So go for back side face and create like a rectangle. First rectangle or a square you can say in top. Just a second. Create a corner rectangle. Okay. Just snap it and define this dimension. This line length values, how much you have to apply. So this value you can see how much, 32 mm. Just apply 32. Okay, and width is already 32 mm, so no need to define. Just you project this curve. Okay, don't project your face, otherwise some extra edges also that will project. So better just you project by selecting your all curves, what curves is required. Now you can see you having a closed loop. Now you can extrude it. How much you have to extrude? So just go to drawing and see here. So what is the total values? So already that value is given here 25 mm. Okay, in right side view also you can see. Apply 25, then click OK. So just hide your all sketches. Okay, so go for isometric view. You can see your isometric view first. Okay, so another one feature is remaining here. Just go for image. See in this corner actually we have to apply what? Fillet. So what is the radius values of fillet? Radius 15. Go for edge blend and select your edge. Just apply 15 mm. Okay, so this is your object.